music. Thanks, John, for Shantae.
Oh my god! 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 Call 911 right now. Call 911.
Let's see if I can
Oh my god.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука. Все.
Пидоры, блядь. Блядь. Как это он так? Любимая, нам не позволит уже.
Предназначенная для передачи.
Оу! Что это? Ах ты, блядь, сука! Пришел это, власть сам.
Also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Take the next left onto Post Creek Road.
Caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that
Don't hit us.
What the?
ท้ายที่สิ่งที่เราจะเริ่มเนี่ย
Oh my God!
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there. मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता आ जाता बाकी है नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक लगी नहीं पहुंच गया यार
There lies a long shadow.
But like the thing to think when you are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Never let the go, so let's see, I love you, so I love you. Time based on the number of conference and national championships, total wins and awards.
I've also got the tea time coming up as well. Your afternoon rest stop for news and pop culture and celebrity gossip. It's coming up after 1975.
Dectors. Cool, тоді ти дивишся, які ближча адреса. Знаєш, типу.
Бляха-муха.